Hi everyone, this is Dave from Saint City Studio. I want to tell you about a little problem that I had the other day and hope that this little fix will help you out as well. On my Android phone, the Samsung Note 9, which I quite enjoy, an update came through the other day, and when it did, my text messages went weird. What happened to them was that I would send a text to somebody and their response to that text would show up above my actual first one. This caused me no end of grief, and I was having troubles trying to figure out what we were talking about, that sort of thing. So I went about to try and fix it, and I found a solution. I hope this helps you if you're having the same issue. All you have to do is go to Settings. When you're in Settings, scroll down till you'll see General Maintenance. Click on that, and then you'll see Date and Time. Click on that. When you're there, you'll see Auto Time Update. That's the culprit. Even if it's on at this point in time, turn it off. Turn it back on. That's it. All it takes to fix it. I hope this helps. You have a great day, and thanks for watching.
There are many more videos on the Dave Forsyth Band channel, so please come on over and subscribe. We've got a few new ones coming up real quick, along with a few live feeds, so don't forget to check back regularly.